industry leaders, DCMA colleagues, and all the members of McGinnis family and friends, good afternoon. Admiral Rosali, thank you so much for honoring us with your presence today. Mr. Williams and Ms. Greening send their greetings and their deepest appreciation for your presence and making this a very special moment. Ms. Greening also sends her regret for not being here today, as she is currently attending DCMA Leadership Forum. And to the McGinnis family, wife Kimberly, and their 3 children, Carolyn, Kelly, and John Paul Jones, and what a fine name that is, welcome aboard. I'm confident that McGinnis family will enjoy this great city of Philadelphia and warm hospitality of DCMA and NSEO family. I am honored to be here today to preside over the Assumption of Command ceremony between 2 exceptional leaders, Mr. Bob Kennedy and Captain Brian McGinnis. No matter what your service background, the term commander carries special significance beyond all other assignments. Command is the highest level of trust and confidence that our military, on behalf of our nation, can bestow on an individual. The commander is the person the organization looks to for inspiration and leadership. They must have the vision and perseverance to move the organization into the future, and the courage to act to ensure that vision can be achieved. It is a position of ultimate responsibility and sometimes a lonely place, and one that is offered to only a select few. As Captain McGinnis prepares to assume the command, I would like to take a moment to recognize Mr. Bob Kennedy for his exceptional stewardship and dedicated professionalism, managing Naval Special Emphasis operations during the last 4 months. Since June 2011, Mr. Kennedy has assumed as the acting commander for Naval Special Emphasis operations, the most complex and geographically diverse command in DCMA. And this is the 2nd time Mr. Kennedy has stepped up to the plate as the acting commander in a 3-year period. And during this period, he led this fine organization without an acting deputy. But being a humble leader, Mr. Kennedy wanted to make it clear to me that he didn't do it alone, and that he could not have done it without the great cohesiveness and support from this fine NSEO team. Mr. Williams, Ms. Greening, and I are truly grateful for Mr. Kennedy's unwavering leadership and willingness to serve above and beyond. So please accept our congratulations for the job exceptionally well done and for carrying the torch of excellence during this critical period. And as you revert back to the deputy position, we would deeply appreciate the continuity of your cornerstone leadership. And Bob, we could not have done it without you. Thank you so much. If you don't mind, please standing up so people can see. And it is our good fortune that DCMA NSEO will continue to be in good hands with Captain Brian McGinnis, as we are blessed with another superbly qualified leader with a great professional reputation. Captain McGinnis will be called upon to provide the vision and leadership necessary to continue the mission of the Navy Special Emphasis operations, whose objective is to meet and exceed critical customer requirements and continuously refine and improve the organizational performance. As commander of DCMA NSEO, Captain McGinnis will provide the contract management service our customers have come to expect and demand. These customer products are the operational definition of high risk, or high consequence of failure and critical safety items. Level 1 subsafe material, Navy nuclear propulsion, nuclear plant material, and NAVAIR aircraft launch and recovery equipment are the areas where there is no margin for error, and we must strive to get it right the first time and all the time. In recognition of that, per NAVSEA leadership's request, DCMA NSEO was designated as an engineering duty officer commanding officer billet, and that really speaks volumes about the importance and support that the Navy places in this NSEO leadership position. And DCMA leadership is grateful for the attention and support the NAVSEA leadership has consistently provided. So to our Navy customers in attendance, please pass along DCMA's deepest appreciation to NAVSEA Commander Vice Admiral McCoy and NSEO AoC Admiral Donald as well. Now please allow me to share briefly from Captain McGinnis' extensive and impressive resume. I believe Captain McGinnis is the right person at the critical juncture of DCMA and NAVSEA partnership as we strive to develop our path forward. Captain McGinnis earned dual master's degree in acoustics and electrical engineering at the Naval Postgraduate School, Monterey. He reports to DCMA from his previous position as program officer for mechanical engineering and systems engineering curricula at the Naval Postgraduate School, Monterey. His sea duty assignments include USS Dallas, SSN 700, where he served as main propulsion assistant and sonar officer, and USS Trepang, SSN 674, as the weapons officer. His overseas duty assignment include Submarine Group 7 in Yokosuka, Japan, where he served as the deputy operations officer. In 1999, he was selected for transfer to the engineering duty officer community. He completed his EDO qualification tour at Portsmouth Naval Shipyard. Subsequently, he was assigned as a repair officer on USS Emery S. Land in La Maddalena, Italy. Following his overseas submarine tender duty, he was assigned as the Director for Shipyard Change Management, NAVSEA Code 04XP. He completed his shipyard department head tour at Pearl Harbor Naval Shipyard, an intermediate maintenance facility. As you can see from his resume, Captain McGinnis is very well connected to our fleet customers and brings wealth of expertise. I am confident his extensive background and clear focus on customer engagement will serve the NSEO workforce and our customers well in the days to come. Captain McGinnis, I know you will uphold DCMA's high standards to support our customers, and I am confident that you will lead from the front and always with our warfighters in mind, while taking great care of your people. So welcome aboard, and I wish you all the best and tremendous success here at DCMA and NSEO. And in closing, may we all keep in mind our warfighters deployed in harm's way, and may the good Lord guide our thoughts and action so that we may carry out our mission on their behalf and that of our nation.